In this video we're going to show you how to remove the strip with the boot switch on and also the number plate lights. The tools you'll need for the job: a T25 Torx, some trim removal tools, a small flat screwdriver and a 10mm either ring, open-ended or ratchet spanner. First step is to open the boot and undo the two T25 Torx screws that you can see on the inside. Using your trim removal tool, get it in the gap between the plastic cover and the boot lid. Start in the corner, pry it down, and the clips just pop in. They are quite stiff. Sometimes it feels like you're going to break it, but you just have to go for it. And that's it, removed. As you can see, they're the clips, they're the positions of the clips. There's 4 on each side. To get to the back of one of the bolts, in this case, got to remove this module here, just move it out of the way so we can get access to the back. Undoing the wires first, starting at this one, it's quite small. I think the best thing to use there is just some long nose pliers, grip it lightly and just pry it out. And this one inside is the same again. Just get some pliers in there and just gently pry it out. The ones on the back here with the red tabs on, using a small screwdriver, pull the red tab towards you, and then the tab inside can push up once the red tab's out of the way. It's the red tab that's stopping the inner one pushing up. So again, push that one up, pulls that towards you. Same again with the third one. Now using 10mm ratchet, undo the 10mm bolts. There's 3 holding it in place. You only need to remove 2 of them. Remove the 2 back ones there with the silver heads. And the one at the front, you don't need to remove it all the way. It's just tucked in around that, so you can just loosen that off a few turns. And once they're off, pull it towards you. Remember just to pull all the plugs out that you have. And you can just swing that out of the way and just leave it hanging there for now. Now undo the plug that goes to the back of it. It's quite a small, fragile plug. If you use a small screwdriver and just push the tab in the middle, and just turn it gently, and that'll pop off towards you. Now holding the full strip in is 4 fixings there. You see the 10mm head. Really you need like a ratchet spanner, an open-ended spanner. They aren't usually rusted up too much, so once you've undone them a couple of turns, you can just get them with your hand. They are quite an awkward gap to get in, especially the ones at the ends, at the side. The middle ones aren't too bad to get to. Once you've done it a couple of turns, just get your hand in. Just flick it over. And you look like that. You've got to get all 4 of them off. Now on the outside of the vehicle, that should be loose and hanging around. It will pop down so far, but then you have to reach round to the inside of the boot, and there's a little tab just in front of each number plate light. You just need to pop it down and then slide it out. There you can see an example of the tab. That just needs pushing down a little bit just to get it past the lip on the boot lid, and that's it removed.